to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a video kind of like 3 marker challenge. The video's name is Papa buys whatever I draw. Actually my papa will buy, but your anyone can buy. Okay, so let me explain a little bit. So here are some colors and there is a twist also. So Papa will say the twist. Say.
Okay, then what's the twist? What's the twist, guys? The twist is pretty simple here. If you can see there's a spinner, okay? And you can see some numbers here. 10, 15, 60, 25 and 30. Okay? So what are these numbers? These are all seconds. It means we will spin the wheel first. Okay? Whatever number will come, that is the time which you will get to draw the picture. Okay? And whatever she draws, I'm going to buy it for her. Alright? It is as simple as that, but it's not that simple to play. But it's going to be a lot of fun. Please watch the video till the end. And so another twist is that I'm going to tell her the name of the shop that she has to draw the whatever she wants to draw from. So it's also going to be another twist. So it's going to be a lot of fun, guys. All right, so are you ready for this? Let's start the video. Now there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. Okay, so you will get to spin the wheel 4 times. All right, now round 1. Spin the wheel. Oh my god! 60 seconds. That means she's going to get 1 minute to draw a picture. Amazing. Alright, let's start the first round. In the first round, we got 60 seconds. And what is the shop? It is Pefu's favorite KFC. Yay! Wow! Now your time starts now. 60 seconds. What do you get? What do you get? Okay. What's that? What's that? Wow. 12 seconds gone. 15 seconds gone. Fast. What's this? Okay. God, we're halfway. We're halfway. Alright. Okay. Sounds great. It looks good. What's this? Oh God. We only left you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're done. Stop it.
Okay.
Oh man. What is this? Oh,
You should get this.
no idea what is this, man. Let me see. Guys, what are this from KFC? No clue. But let me find that out. Let me see what I can get. Let me go to the KFC now and I'll come back afterwards. Okay, see you later. Bye. Guys, for the first round I am going to the KFC. So we got a KFC here in the very nearby place. It's a mall. So generally जो भी शॉप्स में देने वाला हो सब इसी मॉल से है, तो आसपास में हो जाएगा. तो नेक्स्ट शॉप क्या है, नेक्स्ट चैलेंज क्या है, उसके लिए बने रहिए. अभी तो मैं जा रहा हूँ KFC for this. I don't know what is this. Let's go and find out. Okay guys, I've already reached to the parking of Diamond Plaza and now I'm going to find it out. What is this? What do you think, guys? What can be this one? I feel this is chicken popcorn, French fries, and this is difficult. What is this wine do? I feel She tried to draw Pepsi or some sort of drink maybe. I know, I'm very sure about the chicken popcorn and the french fries, and let me find out what is the next one. So let me go and get this one, okay? And then we'll go home and we'll find out if I was correct or not, alright? Let me order. Okay, what I understood is takeaway chicken popcorn. I think it's under the sides. I think popcorn and fries packet. This is something she wants, right? I can't carry Pepsi, so I'm not gonna get that. That too hard. Let me make the payment, okay? Nothing else. Card. Alright. Confirm order. There you go. Alright, let me order it. Confirm this is our order ID. Now let's get the order, okay? Guys, place the order. Now waiting for the order to deliver. Things, you know. Let me see what I got here. Yes. This is the chicken popcorn, yummy, and this is the french fries, amazing. Guys, I'm back home with the KFC stuff here. Now let's find out if I was able to understand what she has drawn or not.
You have to understand.
Here is the drawing and here is the KFC stuff.
Okay.
Find out what is it. I think this is.
This is correct.
Yes.
This is this.
Chicken popcorn. Show friends.
Yes.
Okay.
Here are the chicken popcorn.
Show them like
Yes,
this.
here you go.
Chicken popcorn. So this one is chicken popcorn.
Yes, this is correct.
Yes. All
You got
right.
this.
And what is
No, I
this?
don't. This is French fries. You're correct.
She started having it.
Okay.
All right. Great.
And we have some ketchup.
What is this, Piyu? I could not understand.
Cold drinks.
I was telling you guys this must be cold drinks. Anyway, no problem. I got 2 correct. She has 3.
You have passed
Yeah.
this level.
Awesome. It's time for the round number 2. We had a lot of fun in the first round.
Yeah.
I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying, please say give us a thumbs up. All right. Now it's time for the round number 2. Spin the wheel. Oh my god. We got 25 seconds. That's too low, man. That's too low.
What will I want? 25 seconds.
I don't know. That's going to be tough for you, man. That's going to be really tough for you. Alright. I have reset the timer. And the shop is going to be Office Link. Office Link is a shop where we get stationery.
Stationery.
Alright. Okay. Awesome. Now, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me turn on the timer. 1, 2, start. Woo! Go. Okay. How much you got? 16 seconds. You have barely 10 seconds, 5 seconds left. Come on. Stop it. Okay, you got 25 seconds. What did you get? Oh my god. This is something I need to find out, man. I don't know.
Easy.
Oh, it is easy? What do you think, guys? Is it easy? I don't know. Let's find this out. What is there? Okay, now I'm going to the Office Link and I'll try to find out what's that. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye. See you
Bye.
later. Guys, it's time for the office link. We got this KFC stuff already. I've seen. I'm out again for office link. We're going to the same place because we got office link there as well. So it's time for the office link. Let's find out what we got in office link. All right. Stay tuned. There you go, guys. Office link. Come to office link. Let's see. This seems to be like a pink diary. Where is the black one? A pink pen. So can I get the pink diary? Okay, what is the diary section? Alright. Can I see something in pink? Let me grab a pink pen first. There you go, I think we can pink here. Yes, this is pretty close, right? Something similar, right? Yeah, let me get this. Got the pink pen here. Awesome. Guys, I got this too. You know, probably आप लोगों को मैं दिखा चुका हूँ कि क्या है ये. एक पिंक डायरी है और एक पिंक पेन है. आई थिंक पीयू ने उसी को ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश की यहाँ पे. आप देख सकते हो. दिस वन आई फील आई एम राइट. तो ये क्या है, अगर सही है कि नहीं है, लेट्स गो एंड फाइंड आउट. ओके, लेट्स गो होम अगेन. गाइस, आई एम होम नाउ विद द सेकंड राउंड थिंग. सेकंड राउंड में मैं क्या खरीदा आपको पता है, लेकिन वो पीयू अप्रूव करेगी कि नहीं करेगी मुझे नहीं पता है. तो सेकंड राउंड का जो पेंटिंग ड्राइंग है वो मैं आपको पहले दिखाता हूँ वो क्या है, उसके बाद मैं दिखाता हूँ प्रोडक्ट क्या है. ड्रॉन इन द सेकंड राउंड. इट वाज वेरी टफ बट आई कुड समहाउ एबल टू यू नो बाय कपल ऑफ थिंग्स. आपको पता है मैंने क्या खरीदा. पीयू, सिट डाउन. What do you got? I'll show you. Is it okay?
Yes. Wow, this is so cute.
Is it somewhat similar to this one? It has got a band here, also band here.
Yeah.
Got a black one. I could not get a black one, by the way.
It's okay.
And this is the another one.
This is also correct.
The pink pen.
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. I got the second round as well.
Yes, correct.
Awesome. Let's move to the third round. Let's find out what is there in the third round. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, man, I was able to do it. Okay, Pihood, how it's going great. We were
Yes.
left with 2 more rounds. All right, now it's time for round number 3. Okay, let's spin the wheel.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! What do we get? 30 seconds. Amazing. Okay, 30 seconds, and what do you get here? 30 seconds is too less. Now I'm going to give you the option of the shop. It has to be a toy shop, all right?
Okay, that's true.
Toy store. It can be any toy store, whatever I get, but it has to be from a toy store. Okay, it should be a toy or something, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's turn on the timer. 1, 2, 3, start. Come on. What's this? Okay. 13 seconds.
What? Already?
16 seconds. Oh my god, what's this? Oh my god. 27, 28, 30, stop! What do you get? What do we got here? Oh, I'm a bit scary. Is it a ghost or something? I'm not sure, buddy. What is this? I'm not here. Can you guys recognize what is this? I'm not very sure on this one, but I think I get it, right? I kind of get it. Let's see what is this. Let me find this out. All right. Okay, guys, I'm out again for the toy shop. All right, guys, I have come back again to Diamond Plaza. अब तो है जो है टॉय शॉप का है. तो टॉय शॉप में क्या है आपको दिखा चुका हूँ. It was a bit scary, but I feel it's more of a, you know, a teddy bear something. This is the toy shop, guys. Nanne Munne. I think I'll be able to find one here. Mini orange teddy bear, guys. I feel this will do. Let me see. Okay, this looks like a tiger also. And this one is also a tiger. I feel pretty close. Guys, मैंने तो लिया. आपने देखा क्या लिया मैंने. ऑरेंज कलर का टेडी, मतलब एक ही मिल रहा था मुझे, वो भी शेर खान का. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टर. मुझे तो लगा शेर खान है. आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. देखिए ये है टेडी और ये है जो पीयू ने ड्रॉ किया है. दिस इज व्हाट वी गॉट इन थर्ड राउंड. आपको मैंने दिखा चुका हूँ कि क्या मैं खरीदा हूँ. अब देखता हूँ कि पीयू को पसंद आता है कि नहीं आता है. मतलब पीयू, देखो मुझे ये लग रहा है कि ये तो बियर नहीं है, ये टाइगर है, क्योंकि टाइगर का ही कॉम्बिनेशन है ऑरेंज एंड ब्लैक, और मैं उसी हिसाब से खरीदा हूँ टाइगर. अब देखता हूँ पीयू को पसंद आता है कि नहीं आता है. ठीक है. ओके पीयू, आर यू रेडी? पीयू, दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट फॉर यू.
Good. It's not bad.
Absolutely what you got. Orange and black.
Yeah.
You got this?
Yeah. And
Amazing.
wow. There's a question mark.
There's a question mark.
I will name it Mystery.
Mystery? Mr. Mystery?
Yes.
Okay, nice name. Alright then,
Yes.
you got this. Now let's move to the round 4. Alright. चलो देखते हैं क्या है इसमें. Great, it's time for round number 4. That's going to be the last round, guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying a lot. Let's see what do we get in round number 4. Okay, ooh, spin the wheel. Oh no! 10 seconds. That's too bad. What can you draw in, say, 10 seconds? There you go. Oh my god, that's the challenge. Can't help it. 10 seconds, my god. Oh, come on, let's find that out. Your store is Max. Max is the store for the apparel, and you need to get something from there. Only 10 seconds. Your time starts now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Gosh, that was too much. That was too less. It's some sort of, I think it's some sort of red top or something with a love sign. Yeah, that's what I was. I'm pretty sure you draw it pretty good. All right, in 10 seconds you could draw this. Let me find out if I get something of that sort. Guys, now it's time for the last round. I've come to the same place again, guys. Everything is here in Diamond Plaza. So what do I got here now? This little dress. I feel it is a dress or a top with a heart sign. I don't know whether I'll be able to get a something heart sign with something heart sign, but if it's a dress or a top, I need to find out. I don't know. Guys, we've come to the Max. Let's get in. Okay. What we got here? This dress. This is red or pink. This is female. This is woman.
poses which I did in pink. Alright, I feel this is good. This looks really good. This is fashionable and I feel this is nice. Let me get this one, okay? Nice, I didn't get anything of heart shape, but this looks pretty good to me.
गाइस मैं घर पहुंच चुका हूँ 4th राउंड कंप्लीट करके आपको पता है मैंने क्या खरीदा. अब देखता हूँ वो पीहू को पसंद आता है कि नहीं आता है. बहुत टायर्ड हो चुका हूँ, इतने बार जाना आना सो ठीक है. तो पीहू ने ये चूज़ किया था, एक पिंक ड्रेस. पता नहीं पिंक और रेड है कि नहीं, मुझे तो पिंक लग रहा है लेकिन रेड भी हो सकता है. लेकिन मैंने तो पिंक लिया, आपको पता है. अब मैं पीहू को दिखाता हूँ कि उसको पसंद आती है कि नहीं आती. ठीक है, तो पीहू यू हैव दिस वन.
Yes.
ठीक है, वो तो मुझे ऐसा हार्ट साइन वाला कुछ नहीं मिला मैक्स में, तो आई गॉट दिस फॉर यू.
Okay, it's not bad, but it's not red, and I wanted a frock actually.
Oh man.
Okay, so this is a loss, but I like this.
Okay, चलो कोई बात नहीं है. एक राउंड मैंने हार गया लेकिन 3 राउंड मैंने जीता.
Yes.
चलो ओके.
But you lost, but I really like this. I can wear it anywhere. You guys, look at this.
Yes.
This is so
Guys,
cute.
so we're done with this challenge. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. We have enjoyed a lot. It was a full fun video and मेरे लिए तो हेक्टिक था क्योंकि मुझे 4 बार जाना पड़ा इस गर्मी में. लेकिन समहाउ मैंने आउट ऑफ 4 3 जीता. मैन आई वॉज वेरी श्योर कि मुझे लास्ट वाला राउंड सही नहीं पकड़ा क्योंकि वहाँ पे रेड ड्रेस था और मैंने पिंक टॉप लिया. लेकिन टॉप जो है पीहू को पसंद आया. सो we are done with this one. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and see you in the next vlog. Okay, bye then, take care, bye bye.